You watching your buddy? You love that clown Loach, don't you? That's Rusty. He loves this clown Loach. He doesn't even look at any of the other fish. That's the only one that's his buddy. We've had Loachy for a long time now. Oh, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years. Just a little thing when we got him. And the white discus name is Pearl. And this one here is Chungus. That's one that I raised from a egg. He's now, I'd say it's a good 6 inches now. What are you doing, Rusty? Is that your buddy? Is that your buddy Loachy? Huh? Come around, I just, there we go. Just put this pair in this breeding tank. They're already starting to stare at the cone. This is solid color one. His name's Buddy. And that's Dragonite on the right. They've spawned quite a few times, but they've never had a successful spawn. They were pretty young. It was about a year ago last time I spawned them, and they ate the babies after about 2 weeks. I think Dragonite got overwhelmed by them all pecking on her, and she just flipped out and ate them all. So I put them in the community tank for about a couple months, and we're gonna try again now that it's about a year now. And they did spawn in the community tank, but they hatched. When they went free swimming, all the other fish ate them. Buddy, he's pretty big. He's probably at least 6.5 inches. And that's a 40-gallon breeder. I have another 40-gallon down there. I don't have anything in it right now. I just got some stuff cycling in there. Alright, and then over here we got a 75E. And I got some cobalts in here. And some pigeons. That big one's name is Dapple. And the little one underneath it, that's one of his babies. That's little Mungus. And the other big, that guy over there, that's one of Dapple's babies too. Chungus, he's pretty. Look at that color, it's amazing. So, right there's the mom, Sunny, and Dapple is the father of that one. And that's one of their babies too. Little Mungus looks more like, it takes after Sunny, smaller. And then these blues. This one here I've had quite a while. It's probably getting big. They're getting big. Alright. Well, this is our little fish room here. It's a enclosed patio on the back of the house. It's now, I guess you call it a Florida room with big windows all around it now instead of the porch. But we have a nice nice little fish room out here, and then we have a nice wood stove down here to keep everything toasty and warm in the winter time, so we don't run the heaters so much. I usually keep it pretty warm down here. because I keep my tanks at 86, so gotta keep it warm. Alright, well thanks for viewing. See ya.